this video, you will see how you can make intercom calls within your society using JioCentrex with simple and easy to remember shortcodes. First, let us see how to dial an intercom number from JioFiber landline number. You can make intercom calls using JioFiber landline number in 3 ways. First, using a landline phone. Second, using Jio Join app on smartphone, available on Android and iOS. Third, using the Jio Join app on Jio Set-Top Box. First, let's see how to do it using landline phone. Now, connect the landline phone to the telephone via port of the JioFiber Home gateway and dial intercom number by prefixing hash before the shortcode. Next option is using Jio Join app on smartphone. Simply launch the Jio Join app on your smartphone and dial the intercom number by prefixing hash before the shortcode. Once the call gets connected, you can convert the voice call into a video call or vice versa. Remember, you can only make a video call if the person you're calling is having a Jio mobile or landline number. The third option is using Jio Join app on Jio Set-Top Box. Launch the Jio Join app on your Jio STB and dial a number by prefixing hash. Note: you will need to purchase a JioTV Camera to use this feature on your TV, or use mobile camera option with Jio Join app. To buy a JioTV Camera, please visit jio.com. That's not it. You can enable parallel ringing on your Jio mobile number to make or receive intercom calls that come to your landline number while you're not at home. To enable parallel ringing, visit your JioFiber account on My Jio app. Now let's see how to make or receive intercom calls if shortcode is linked with your Jio mobile number. In case your intercom shortcode is linked to your Jio mobile number instead of JioFiber landline, then you can dial intercom numbers directly from your mobile phone dialer by prefixing hash before the shortcode. Tip: you can also save these intercom numbers in your phone book and simply dial them with just a touch. Now let's check how you can see your society shortcode details on My Jio app. First, open My Jio app on your smartphone and tap on Hamburger menu. Then tap on Settings and tap on JioCentrex to view all the shortcodes of the society with labels. Tap on any shortcode to check if the status of the shortcode is active or not. You can also search for a shortcode using the search bar. You can also log in on jio.com with your Jio mobile number or Jio fixed line number to check your society shortcodes. To do so, tap on the profile icon. Here, enter your registered Centrex number and click on Generate OTP. Then enter the OTP and click on Submit. Just like the My Jio app, here also you can search the shortcodes of your society and check if the same is active or not. To do so, click on Settings icon. Then click on Society Centrex tab. With this, all the shortcodes will appear here. Click on any shortcode to check the status of the shortcode if it is active or not. So now easily make intercom calls within your society using the JioCentrex services. Thank you.